I love a good challenge, and I thought it would be fun to create a weekly challenge where I encourage you to do one little thing to make your website better. Every Friday, I'm going to try to issue a challenge. It's going to be simple, something that can take you anywhere from maybe 15, 30 minutes up to about 2 hours. But I'm giving them on Fridays so you have the weekend to do the challenge. And the challenge for this week, the very first challenge, relatively simple, but it should have a big impact. The challenge is to fix 5 accessibility issues on your website, specifically on your homepage. If you're not sure what your accessibility issues are, I just made a video on my YouTube channel. It's called How to Check Your Website's Accessibility. Check that out. But basically, the video walks you through how to use Wave at wave.webaim.org, and you'll get a list of accessibility issues that you can then fix. You just have to fix 5 of them. If you want to fix more, great, but I just want you to fix 5 for this challenge. Come back after you fix them, leave a comment, let us know what you fixed, let us know that it was done, and then make sure you come back every Friday to get the next challenge.